Tonight is about the winners of the 39 categories that you can win a award for. The first category is cutlery, hand pliers, or tools. And the winner of this category is the Bubba Pro Series Gen 2 electric fillet knife. It's a 20% slimmer handle, proprietary paddle trigger. So it's got a paddle trigger, next generation brushless motor, and species specific blade technology deliver unmatched comfort, control, power, and efficiency. The result, cleaner fillets, maximum yield, reduced hand fatigue. This is the new knife from Bubba. Next up, on number 2, fishing accessory, best of show category winner from Rapala, high capacity line remover. What are they telling us about this thing? With a patent pending design, this accessory makes high speed line removal easy and comfortable. Collapsible paddles allow the line to easily be removed and discarded. Built to handle multiple reels at one time, Rapala has made the process of removing line more efficient and organized. This innovative tool can easily be stored at home for spooling or in the boat for on-the-water line management. The custom tackle and components category winner was Buzzbee's magnetic launch pad. Take a look at this guy right here. The ultimate rigging, repair, and maintenance workstation for all anglers, built from a durable, easy clean material that offers a cushioned work surface and built-in ruler. The magnetic parts trays keeps tool, tackle, and components organized. Tackle management category, basic deep urchin bait box. The hottest new bait style finally has a storage solution built for it, featuring custom wire post organizers, lock-in dividers that won't shift, and Buzzbee's rugged waterproof construction. The urchin box keeps bait secure, protected, and ready to fish. Saltwater hard lure category winner is the Shimano Ledge Runner. Sets a new standard in offshore diving plugs built for power, stability, and depth control. Its ADR system lets anglers adjust trolling depth instantly without retying, and HCW stabilization keeps it tracking at high speeds. Next up, novelties and wellness. Yes, that is right. This is a category. Rapala giant lure bald eagle. Rapala always makes a giant lure of some sort. It is typically a crankbait style lure. And this is the giant 29-inch. That is not a joke. This is 29 inches long. And like, obviously, you're not going to be fishing with it. Freshwater hard lure. The winner is from American Bait Works, the Cinch. The Cinch Fishing Artesian Wake and Crank is a subsurface wake bait built from the vision and craftsmanship of in-house artist Andrew Gardner. Well done. All these fins are soft plastic, hard body, non-motorized boating accessories, Turtlebox audio, Turtlebox Cub. The cube-shaped design delivers loud, premium sound in a compact footprint. Rhino 36.6 two-piece medium spinning combo from Rather Outdoors is the rod and reel combo that won best category. ASICS drive gears increase tooth contact for maximum torque. Rhino grip EVA handle with custom seat for control. And then motorized boating accessories, no surprise here. The Spy Pole from Garmin has won, being able to wirelessly steer the live scope, and of course the GT360 UHD transducer. It can be independently used of their trolling motor. Saltwater rod, the Banshee BG Big Game from Bull Bay Tackle Company. Boats and watercraft. Check this puppy out. Mosa Series, Voya X's first high-end intelligent e-fishing kayak. Built around one simple idea: more control, less hassle. Spot hold, e-assist, 360-degree steering, and fish finder integration are built into one clean system, so you can spend less time rigging and more time fishing. Available in 12'8" and 9'7". The Mosa Series is built for stability, storage, and more time locked on target. Terminal tackle from G-Rat Baits, the Urchin Rig. We wanted a rig that would satisfy all customers' needs and give them all three options of hooks and several weight sizes to rig urchin-style baits easily. St. Croix, they won the category with the Triumph Freshwater, including 29 models. Triumph features proven SC2 carbon fiber blanks strengthened with FRS tech, modernized stainless steel guides, all new contoured natural cork handles. In the electronics category, this is a mega powerhouse category. The LiveScope 2 HD gives anglers Garmin's clearest live sonar yet. delivering unprecedented clarity, smoother images, and simplified installation. Now with 20% greater resolution and improved image stitching, anglers can see real-time views of fish, bait, and structure out to 125 feet with 50% more detail at closer ranges than the previous model. Braided fishing line. Daiwa J-Braid Grand Ocean Splash is built for inshore and offshore anglers that want the extra edge to keep their presence concealed from their target game fish. 2026 BQ-SW saltwater spinning reels. That's what they got. Energy. So these are things like batteries, power, those types of things. The e-propulsion K-Max battery. They've got a 48-volt K-Max battery, fits into multiple fishing kayak locations, has a single cable handles power communication, reduced wiring, has Bluetooth-enabled monitoring, battery state, and faster service diagnostics, works with third-party outboard, supports 4 in parallel for extended range. For non-braided, we've got Seagar with the BRA WLR monofilament. High performance monofilament, advanced knot and tensile strength, low stretch with enhanced sensitivity. Freshwater reel from Shimano, the Corrado DC150. Shimano's digital control system monitors speed 1,000 times per second to reduce backlash and boost distance. Footwear. They do have some fun categories. So they do have some footwear. They have some apparel categories and so on and so forth. So Hey Dude, Hey 20 Flip, made for the dude who lives and loves the water. Water draining shoes. Kids tackle. Zebco wins the category with the Bottomland spin cast combo, pairs strength with a compact travel-ready design, mossy yoke Bottomland camo targets, bream crappie panfish perch. So this is kind of on that lighter size. This is from Arc Pro Fishing. It is a floating aerator. Meet the industry's first IPX7 waterproof flying saucer aerator. Its state-of-the-art floating design ensures continuous oxygenation, even if fully submerged or dropped. It has a snap-on magnetic charging that powers a 2,000 milliamp hour battery for up to 14 hours of life. Extreme durability, crack-proof tubing rated in -15 degrees Celsius, and rugged drop-resistant casing. Precision flow, 3 modes, up to 19 gallons per hour to keep bait lively in any 5 to 30 gallon tank. Not quart, gallon tank. Eyewear. Props to Bajiho sunglasses. Baggio. They have the Cocoa Dark Blue Camo Matte Blue Mirror Glass. Flex hinges and fully removable side shields make this frame fit for big predators above and below the waterline. Fly tying tools and materials. This is from Asgar Export Campus. Interesting. It's a rod case, believe it or not, from Evolution Fishing. They won the ice fishing category. The ice rod locker is built to securely transport and organize your essential ice fishing gear, designed with 6 internal rod tubes, safely stores and protects rods during travel and storage. Comfortable padded backpack straps make carrying gear across the ice easier and more convenient. Fly fishing technical apparel. Sims Fishing Products typically does really well in this category because Sims is all about fly fishing. M's G3Z Pro stocking foot. This is probably, I'm going to guess, $600 set of waders. I nailed it. Women's lifestyle apparel. From Aftco. Women's overcast sweatshirt. For cool days and changing conditions, the women's overcast sweatshirt delivers wind resistance performance with DWR water repellency, 4-way stretch, and a hooded anorak design. Never heard of that. I guess that's the design. A shock cord adjustable hem provides a secure fit, while a front zippered pouch pocket keeps essentials close. Fly fishing accessory, Scout slingback, Sims again. They got a bag here. Men's lifestyle apparel. Here we go. Tide Point KC printed short sleeve shirt from Hook Performance Fishing. Moisture wicking comfort, quick dry performance, and mechanical stretch for unrestricted movement. A ventilated perforated back panel enhances airflow. Fly fishing reel, the classic X multiplier from Loop. And then extreme weather apparel. Here we go. We're talking ice conditions. Hydronaut insulated jacket and bib from Aftco. Built for cold weather and long days in rough conditions, the Hydronaut insulated jacket and bib deliver dependable protection without sacrificing mobility. Primaloft black insulation provides all-day warmth, while YKK Aqua Guard waterproof zippers, double cuffs, and an adjustable hood help seal out the elements. It doesn't have float in it, though, so don't think of it as a float suit. Let's see, fly fishing rod, St. Croix Imperial fly rod, so they won that guy. And then women's technical apparel. These are fun. Brookie quarter zip thermal from Fishywear. At least that's how I'm going to pronounce it. Made from breathable brush jersey that traps warmth without sacrificing comfort. Wired and skirted lure. This is from Z-Man Fishing Products. I heard Z-Man has a ton of new products here at the show. Chatterbait Elite Evo HD. 40% stronger, heavy-duty upgrade of the best-selling bladed jig built for big fish, heavy cover, and the moments when durability isn't optional. Men's technical apparel is the Sims Challenger suit. The all-new Challenger suit is the most advanced and capable Challenger ever built. All right, saltwater soft lure, a realistic prawn or shrimp imitation with a subtle action and added shrimp scent to attract fish. Custom back slit helps conceal the hook point for easy weedless rigging. Super TPE material is extremely durable and allows the bait floating characteristics and extreme durability. This is actually a good idea. I love their marketing. And this is from Rapala, Crush City, the imposter. Engel won the category with a 3-bottle wine and champagne cooler. Now for the sundowner after the run home. Built Engel Tough for the cockpit, dock, or deck. It keeps wine chilled for up to 12 hours, longer with ice, and holds 3 bottles or 2 champagnes. The signature ice pack locks bottlenecks in place so nothing tips in a chop. Cheese board, tray, and opener included, the perfect complement to the perfect boat and the gift of the boater who has everything. The freshwater soft lure, Crush City, the CEO 21. Rapala has worked tirelessly with the R&D, research and development team, to launch the CEO 21M, built with super TPE material that falls perfectly for its technique. With a weighted glass powder core, pretty awesome, multiple tapered legs create a subtle action and twitching on the fall.